The festival of Hornbill is associated with which tribe? A. Naga. B. Santhal. C. Gond. D. Munda. Answer: A. Naga. The Hornbill festival is celebrated by the Naga tribes in Nagaland, showcasing their rich culture and heritage. Which community celebrates the festival of Baisakhi? A. Muslims. B. Christians. C. Sikhs. D. Parsis. Answer: C. Sikhs. Baisakhi marks the Sikh New Year and the formation of the Khalsa in 1699 by Guru Gobind Singh. The Gudi Padwa festival is celebrated by which community? A. Marathis. B. Gujaratis. C. Odias. D. Tamils. Answer: A. Marathis. Gudi Padwa is celebrated by the Marathi community as the New Year according to the lunisolar calendar. Onam is a major festival celebrated by which group? A. Assamese. B. Malayalis. C. Bengalis. D. Kannadigas. Answer: B. Malayalis. Onam is celebrated by Malayalis in Kerala as a harvest festival and marks the homecoming of King Mahabali. Sangi festival is associated with which tribe? A. Meitei. B. Khasi. C. Garo. D. Bodo. Answer: A. Meitei. The Sangi festival is celebrated in Manipur, highlighting the cultural heritage of the Meitei people. The festival of Chapchar Kut is celebrated by which tribe? A. Mizo. B. Bhil. C. Santal. D. Garo. Answer: A. Mizo. Chapchar Kut is a spring festival celebrated by the Mizo tribe in Mizoram, marking the end of the June cultivation season. Nuakhai is a festival celebrated by which community? A. Odia. B. Marathi. C. Tamil. D. Bengali. Answer: A. Odia. Nuakhai is an agricultural festival observed by the people of Orissa to welcome the new rice crop. Bhogali Bihu is associated with which group? A. Tamil. B. Assamese. C. Gujarati. D. Marathi. Answer: B. Assamese. Bhogali Bihu is a harvest festival celebrated by the Assamese people, marking the end of the harvesting season. The Dri festival is celebrated by which tribe? A. Niashi. B. Apatani. C. Adi. D. Khamti. Answer: B. Apatani. The Dri festival is celebrated by the Apatani tribe of Arunachal Pradesh to pray for a good harvest and prosperity. Saga Dawa is a festival celebrated by which religious group? A. Hindus. B. Jains. C. Buddhists. D. Sikhs. Answer: C. Buddhists. Saga Dawa is a significant Buddhist festival that commemorates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha. Karam Puja is celebrated by which tribe? A. Santhal. B. Bhil. C. Oraon. D. Garo. Answer: C. Oraon. Karam Puja is a harvest festival celebrated by the Oraon tribe, tea tribe, to worship the Karam tree for good harvest and well-being. The Solung festival is associated with which tribe? A. Adi. B. Niashi. C. Apatani. D. Monpa. Answer: A. Adi. The Solung festival is celebrated by the Adi tribe in Arunachal Pradesh to mark the harvesting season. Wangala is a harvest festival celebrated by which tribe? A. Khasi. B. Garo. C. Mizo. D. Bhil. Answer: B. Garo. Wangala is a post-harvest festival of the Garo tribe in Meghalaya, dedicated to the sun god. The Fuldi festival is celebrated by which community? A. Kashmiri. B. Gawali. C. Assamese. D. Manipuri. Answer: B. Gawali. Fuldi is a harvest festival celebrated in Uttarakhand by the Gawali community, marking the onset of spring. Bastar Dashehra is celebrated by which tribe? A. Bhil. B. Gond. C. Santhal. D. Khasi. Answer: B. Gond. Bastar Dashehra is celebrated by the Gond tribe in Chhattisgarh, focusing on the local deities and unique rituals. The festival of Eweling is celebrated by which tribe? A. Konyak. B. Angami. C. Zeliang. D. Sumi. Answer: A. Konyak. Eweling is a major festival of the Konyak tribe in Nagaland, marking the beginning of the new year and the end of the sowing season. Nongkrem dance festival is celebrated by which tribe? A. Khasi. B. Garo. C. Naga. D. Bhil. Answer: A. Khasi. The Nongkrem dance festival is celebrated by the Khasi tribe in Meghalaya to thank the Almighty for a good harvest and to seek blessings for future prosperity. Yemshe is a festival celebrated by which tribe? A. Bhil, B. Pochari, C. Khasi, D. Munda. Answer, B. Pochari. Yemshe is celebrated by the Pochari tribe in Nagaland, marking the end of the agricultural year and praying for a good harvest. Bathukama is a floral festival celebrated by which community? A. Tamil, B. Telugu, C. Kannada, D. Odia. Answer, B. Telugu. Bathukama is a floral festival celebrated in Telangana by the Telugu community, welcoming the arrival of the spring season. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated by which community? A. Malayalis, B. Tamils, C. Punjabis, D. Gujaratis. Answer, B. Tamils. Pongal is a major harvest festival celebrated by the Tamil community in Tamil Nadu to thank the sun god for the bountiful harvest. The Chapchar Kut festival is celebrated by which tribe? A. Khasi, B. Garo, C. Mizo, D. Bhil. Answer, C. Mizo. Chapchar Kut is a spring festival celebrated by the Mizo tribe in Mizoram, marking the end of the June cultivation season. The Kherai Puja is associated with which tribe? A. Khasi, B. Bodo, C. Meiti, D. Bhil. Answer, B. Bodo. Kherai Puja is a festival celebrated by the Bodo tribe in Assam to worship their deity Batho for the well-being of the community. The Hemis festival is celebrated by which religious group? A. Hindus, B. Jains, C. Buddhists, D. Sikhs. Answer, C. Buddhists. Hemis festival is celebrated in Ladakh at the Hemis monastery to commemorate the birth of Guru Padmasambhava, the founder of Tantric Buddhism in Tibet.